I mean, I came across left. I was using Podio for the last 4.5 years or so, and it was just way too basic, way too clunky, no automations, no flows. It was basically like an Excel sheet, kind of like that. And so I was shopping around for some CRMs. Tried Go High Level for a little bit since that was the new trend nowadays. Didn't go so well. Stopped that a month in, and once I discovered Left Main, I did a demo with Charles, and honestly just got excited about it the second I got to learn about it. Every question that I had, he answered with confidence and just showed me exactly what they can provide at Left Main. I did a demo for about a week, played around with the trial, loved it, signed up, got everything imported into the CRM, and we were ready to rock and roll in about a month or so. Everything was in, team was training on it, and I mean, everything was great after that. So what I like the most about Left Main is the SMS follow-up text that they have, the email cadences as well, so you can send out follow-up email templates automatically. The streamlined flow from it being a lead to an opportunity for the acquisitions is amazing, and then going over to the disposition side as well. Just every person on the team, every user on the team knows exactly what tasks they need to do and what their deadlines are for each transaction, and there's no concern of miscommunication going on between. It's just everything is in the CRM. As long as everyone's on there, everything is perfect. So I would 1,000% recommend the app to everybody that's a real estate investor that has a team of at least like 3 to 5 users, I would say. Just anyone that's doing deals, honestly, consistently they need the app. They're missing out on deals. The cost of opportunity is too high, and the investment in Left Main is probably the best investment I made in my business.
I would absolutely recommend Left Main. It's great at keeping your real estate transactions organized all the way from the lead coming in to making money on the back end. So it's a great product. I'd recommend it to anyone doing deals.